Coastal Source is an industry-leading manufacturer of high-performance outdoor audio and lighting products. We develop products exclusively for the outdoor market. We aren't an indoor company that are making outdoor products as a sideshow. Outdoor is the main event for us. And we develop these products to be high performance. We're really not trying to be the biggest company in the market. We are trying to build the best products that we are proud to stand behind.
Having a fantastic product is half of the battle. It's really the support behind the product that helps really engage our customers. You know, it's a product line that's built for the outdoors. The integrity that goes into this product is second to none. And if you're somebody that's really enjoys being outside and loves what the sound and the lighting can do for your backyard, but you really don't want to deal with it and you don't want to have to call somebody to come and repair it down the road, then Coastal Source is a product for you.
We get to see some of the most beautiful outdoor environments of both residential and commercial properties. And it's really our job to take what the vision of the client is and translate that onto pen and paper. We've installed every type of system that's out there over the years. And what we've come to realize is that there was a better way to approach, reliability and simplicity. We are not interested in putting our logo on any old product. And because Coastal Source is a lifestyle, is a brand, is a culture, we've got to make sure that we believe in that product before we put it out in the field.
Coastal Source is special because we've leveraged our decades of experience in designing, engineering, and building very high-quality products for the luxury market. We start our design process by looking at the market and what opportunities are not well served at this point. We then go into conceptual design and engineering. And since all our products are designed from the ground up from scratch, it's a very extensive and exhaustive design process. After the design and engineering is complete, prototypes are complete, we then go into testing.
Testing lies at the heart of Coastal Source. It's where we really got our start. I mean, material testing alone, we spent years testing materials, finding out what worked, what didn't. So we've built upon that and developed our Coastal Quality Standard. And every product today follows the same rigorous testing schedule, whether it's UV testing, whether it's corrosion and saltwater resistance, and everything in between. It's unbelievable what these products endure day in and day out. And you can't expect something to just last a year. It needs to, weather over time and be able to be enjoyable and shared for a lifetime.